But she came up like weeks ago claiming it was her pup that jumped out of the window.
And put your hands behind your back, you're under arrest.
Okay.
They had that dog in the first place. They got it in Kentucky. It's not your dog.
When does taking back what you believe is yours become a felony? The answer turns on one element the prosecution must prove. The footage tells you what happened. The law tells you whether it was a crime.
What's going on with your dog?
She was on the leash in the back, and they seen her on camera.
You know who it was?
The girl that lives
in 3A?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They already knew. I don't know her name, but she came up like weeks ago claiming it was her pup that jumped out of the window. And I was like, no, I got this dog from Mayfield, 2 hours away. Okay. And now she finally made her move, and I knew she was going to do it.
Okay.
And they seemed a little upset about it.
They've got her on camera.
Yeah.
So,
she drove off with her, so I don't know where she could have.
Let me give you a statement form, and I'll have you fill it out.
Thank you.
Put it right back with you.
And she was scared of her, too.
The dog was scared of it. All right, if you can get this filled out, I'll swing back by and pick it up in a minute. I'm going to run up to the housing office real quick.
All right.
They've got the video up for me, so, all right, thank you. All right, go ahead and step on out for me.
Can I park my car?
Not just yet. Go ahead and step on out for me. Okay, put the dog back in there. And put your hands behind your back, you're under arrest.
Okay.
Turn around, face that way.
For what?
For theft.
For what, sir?
The dog.
That's my dog.
No, it wasn't your dog.
Yes, I have.
I'm not arguing that. You walked up to the lady's place, got you on video, and you stole the dog. It's that simple.
No, honey, that was my dog before that.
No, it wasn't your dog before that. You're mistaken.
No, I swear to God.
You're mistaken.
No, I had postings all over.
Transport.
I had postings all over the front office.
Okay.
Her name's Sasha. I had her as a baby. I had her for
She had that dog way before you had. She had the dog. It was her dog.
No, I
she
have
has
a
proof
picture
of that.
on my email.
Doesn't matter. Okay, you've come up with these cockamamie stories about people taking your dog and stuff like that before. This is not gonna.
No, this is real.
Okay,
like they have it on video.
Yeah,
no,
they've got you on video stealing her dog.
But when I applied for the place, it snuck out of my car.
Yeah, that wasn't.
And it walked down
dog,
here.
Different dog.
It's the same dog. I can show you the picture.
It's not the same dog.
Can I show you on my email?
No, you can't show me on your email. You did something really. Okay, why did you not call and report this to the police when that happened?
Because I was looking for the dog. I posted signs all over.
But you knew that you knew she had the dog. You've confronted her about it before.
I asked her where she got the dog.
Did she not tell you where she got the dog?
Well, obviously she was lying because it looks just like my dog.
It looks just like your dog. Looks somewhat like your dog, maybe, but it's not your dog.
Exactly.
It's not your dog. Okay, so step on back this way. You got anything on you? Any weapons or anything?
No.
Okay. All right. So you're going to be transported to Saline County Detention Center. You'll have a hearing on Friday afternoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we call my friend Bob because he needs to take like my dog? Like I need to make arrangements.
Where'd you put the dog that you took from there?
I have dogs like at my other residence.
Okay.
And I have
no, we're not going to call your friend Bob. We're not going to play games like that.
It's not playing friends. It's just that I need there's a poodle in that car.
Yeah.
And I need to make sure it's okay.
Well, these people need their dog back too, but you've obviously gone past that now. So.
Well, I needed my dog back originally,
and
they never reported it. They never, everybody in the office
knew
that was my dog.
They just now reported it. They reported that you stole their dog, and I watched you on video come up and pick the dog up and take off with the dog. So I'm not going to argue with you. It's a cut and dried case. We're not worried about that. They didn't take your dog. They had that dog in the first place. They got it in Kentucky. And it's not your dog. So here we are. Well, now you know it's not. Hard lesson, maybe, I guess. I don't know.
Well, I have a picture.
I have a picture, and where I got it from on Craigslist.
Well, I don't have anything to compare the picture to now, do I?
Well, the dog.
It's not here though. So,
Okay, honey.
all right. You know, with this officer here, he's going to take you up to the jail.
Okay, honey. What do I do with my purse and everything?
Oh, yes, you need your purse?
My phone. Yeah, everything.
Okay. I'll get your purse and your phone out. If you want to step over, I'll get your purse and your phone.
Okay, my phone's in my apartment.
No, we're not going to the apartment. You got your purse in the car. Well, you got the car that you need.
My purse? My identification?
Okay. So your purse is in here. Where's it at?
It's on the floorboard, Father?
On the floorboard.
On the other side?
On the other side. Okay.
It's blue. Is it not there?
Oh, it's back here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we park my car back?
What's that?
Can we park my car back and get my keys out? I can't hold it.
What's that wadded up in the paper towel or whatnot in there by that?
Nothing.
Just a piece of paper towel?
Yeah.
Sure.
You can check it out.
Well, I don't have my gloves on. That's why I was asking you. So
Whatnot?
just trying to figure out what that's.
Oh, okay.
Well, I just put my change in my purse. Like, there's nothing there. I mean, it's just
Nothing illegal in there.
Oh no.
She ready?
Yeah, she's
Come on up
ready.
here, ma'am.
Can we pass my car right?
Well, I'm probably going to tow your car, and I'm probably going to have animal control come and get the dogs there. How many dogs are in here?
2.
Okay.
Can I have my keys?
You'll be able to get them when the record. You need the other keys besides the car key?
Yeah, because I have another car keys in there.
Okay.
All right, come on up.
Okay, so like, I just need the key from the Toyota thing, but I need all the other keys on there.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
All right. This is the Toyota key. There's all the other keys.
Thanks.
All right.
This is your purse, okay?
All right.
Bye, buddy.
You don't have anything on you, do you, ma'am?
No, but it's really useless.
Be there in about 4 minutes.
Okay. Shoot.
You in there? All right.
Is that my little dog?
Oh, I think it is.
Yeah, I really need like my dog to be somewhere safe.
Boy, I don't want to hit her.
Like she's gonna follow us forever because like that dog will like run like wild from. Like they can't catch it, honey. Like they will never be able to catch it. It was running wild in Marion for 3 days. Like, can we just bring it to animal control right now? Like right around the corner? Or drop it off at my friend Bob's, please?
No, I can't do all that.
Can we just put it somewhere safe or it will die? Because they did this.
We'll roll up here to get it. Right, I'm gonna run them over.
Are you sure they're going to make it to animal control, my dog?
There it goes. They got it.
Are you sure they're going to...
Victims have identified the dog that's in the interior of this vehicle as being theirs.
Where's
Documented turn back over to us.
Where's my dog? That's the little one.
Oh yeah, your dogs will be all right.
You promise?
Well, they're going to. I mean, if they're going to animal control, they're going to be in cages, and they're not going. They're going to be separated from other dogs. So I mean, nothing's going to hurt them.
Right, I know, but as long as they get to animal control, because that dog is really hard to catch, because it's been a one-owner dog, and they chased it around Marion for 3 days.
Oh really?
Yes.
Where do you live at?
I live right there in that housing. I just moved there. So like when I applied there the first time, that dog that they say that I just stole, it ran out of my car. It was literally like a baby. And I posted signs for it all over, and everyone in the office and everyone tore down my signs all over that neighborhood, and I went back looking for it. And when I moved there, I found the dog, and I looked at the picture. This was like 8 months ago or more. And I've since had to replace the dog. I replaced it with that poodle.
21-2A towing will be now.
But anyways, when they let me out on Friday, then what? Like, do I get to see a judge and stuff?
Yeah, you'll see a judge on Friday.
Okay.
It's just a detention hearing. It's not a probable cause hearing, though.
Okay.
Meaning they'll give you another court date after Friday that you'll have to go on.
Okay.
Have you ever been arrested, ma'am?
No, I had a DUI when I was like 19. I'm 43.
43?
Yeah.
You've never had any trouble at all?
No. Like, I thought that was my dog. Like, that's my dog. They actually stole the dog from me because no one reported it, and everybody in the office knew that was my dog, and nobody like called me and said, we found your dog. When it was running around Marion, that's my emotional service animal. I was hospitalized because my blood pressure dropped so low looking for the dog.
All right. Need help?
I think I'm okay.
Step up there. Might want to dig around there pretty good. I've looked, but I haven't seen nothing but. Okay.
I have my birth control. That's about it. If you're looking for any drugs or anything.
I know they have to check it when anything comes in here. They have to make sure.
Yeah.
What time do you take it?
Every day in the morning.
So you're taking it tomorrow?
Yeah, but I need it tomorrow morning. I'm not going to give it to me now.
It's Duncan's last. I think it's that over, I believe.
And then when you turn towards me, I'll take your glasses, headband.
So glad I took 2 showers today. Still feel gross though.
And then you don't have any jewelry on? No. Okay. And then you can start off how you down real quick. You don't have anything that can poke me or stab me?
I'm sorry.
You don't have anything that can poke me or stab me? None in your pockets? Good.
All my keys are in the purse.
Alright, that's fine. I was just worried about like knives or anything like that. Go around for a while.
Frost. Black thing that comes together when I hurt you.
You would?
These little things that keep the frost together. Those things are wicked sometimes.
No, you're okay. Go around your waistline.
Okay. I appreciate you actually doing this. It's very kind of you.
No, you're welcome.
Just when I thought my life couldn't get any more interesting.
And if you can't open your shoes and this each foot.
Take what?
I need to see the bottom of the book.
Go ahead.
Okay. I thought that
Thanks, man.
Arkansas Code Annotated Section 536103A. Theft knowingly exercising unauthorized control over the property of another with the purpose of depriving the owner. Element 1, the act. Element 2, the specific intent to deprive. Both required, both independently challengeable. Section 536103 is a specific intent crime. Proof of the act alone does not satisfy the charge. The state must prove the defendant intended to permanently deprive the owner at the moment of taking, not inferred from the act after the fact. Harrington v. State, 2009, Arkansas Court of Appeals, 522. Claim of right: a defendant who holds a genuine good faith belief that the property belongs to them lacks the criminal intent required under Section 536103. This is a complete defense. Not mitigation, a complete defense. The good faith belief need not be objectively reasonable, it must be subjectively genuine at the time of the taking. Reasonableness is relevant to credibility, not to legal sufficiency. Illinois versus Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Probable cause is assessed under the totality of the circumstances. The officer established probable cause for the act of taking. He did not establish probable cause for the specific intent element. These are not the same threshold. Berkemer versus McCarty, 468. U.S. 4, 201984. Miranda versus Arizona, 384. U.S. 4, 361966. Statements made post-arrest without Miranda advisement are suppressible. Multiple self-incriminating statements were made after handcuffing. No warnings appear on camera. Arkansas Code Section 562101 animals are classified as personal property. Felony theft requires a value of $1,000 or more at fair market value. Below that threshold, Class A misdemeanor, not a felony. The felony designation requires an independent appraisal. None was established on camera. Practical principle. Self-help recovery of disputed property does not preserve a claim of right. A police report creates a documented ownership record. Taking property directly eliminates that protection and creates criminal exposure. Belief in ownership is not a license to act unilaterally. 3 questions the court must answer. Is the dog valued above the felony threshold? Did she hold a genuine belief at the moment of taking, supported by records, photographs, or veterinary history? Did the officer's refusal to review her evidence create a due process gap? Nothing has been decided. The hearing is next.